Top ASX Pharma companies for 2024. With free trade agreements with major Asian economies and strong ties to top research institutions, Australia's pharma sector is positioned for success. Let's dive into top ASX best pharma stocks for 2024. Clarity Pharmaceuticals Limited, ASX CU6, market cap $621.94 million, CMP $2.37. Main Pharma Group Limited, ASX MYX, market cap $450.05 million, shares CMP $5.29. Botanics Pharmaceuticals Limited, ASX BOT, market cap $257.97 million, CMP 16.5 cents. Arabella Therapeutics Limited, ASX ALA, market cap $119.39 million, CMP 13 cents. Argenica Therapeutics Limited, ASX AGM, market cap $61.47 million, CMP 62 cents. Aussie investors, these pharma giants are not just companies, they're pioneers shaping the future of healthcare. All prices are mentioned as of 2nd February 2024. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.